Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Hello children, we are going to discuss about sightseeing. So, some of you might land in France and then you ask, I like to go and see the Eiffel Tower and other important places together with an English guide because you don't know French. So, in today's conversation, we're going to talk about, discuss how you go about seeing sightseeing. Okay? Now, going sightseeing. That's a topic for the day's discussion. So you say, good day, sir. What can I do for you? So you meet and they say, good day, madam. I've arrived from Sri Lanka. I would like to go sightseeing. So you've landed in France, and then you are greeted and you are going to be helped out. Good day. Good day. Good day, sir. What can I do for you? So you're going and getting help. What can I? What can I do for you? And then you say, good day, madam. I have arrived from Sri Lanka and I would like to go sightseeing here in France. So your requests are going to be taken up. Good day. Good day, madam. Good day, madam. I have arrived. I have. I have just arrived from Sri Lanka. From Sri Lanka. I've just arrived from Sri Lanka, or I come from Sri Lanka. I've flown from Sri Lanka. I would like to go. I would like. I would like to go sightseeing. I would like to go sightseeing here in France. Here in France. Or you could have said, I've just come from Sri Lanka, looking forward to visiting places in France. Can you please help me? So the different ways you can put, and then you are told, yes, sir, I shall arrange for it. So then you are told, yes, yes, sir, I shall. I shall arrange. I shall arrange for it. In France, I wouldn't want you to miss the Eiffel Tower. In France, I would not, or I wouldn't. I wouldn't want. In France, I wouldn't want you to miss the Eiffel Tower. Or she could have said, Sir, I am going to help you to arrange the trip. Since you are in France, you should not go away without seeing Eiffel Tower. Either way you can put it. Then she asked him, How long will you stay in France? How long? How long? How long will you, or how long are you planning to stay in France? How long will you stay? How long will you stay in France? Then he answers, I'll be here for 3 to 4 days. I will be here, or I plan to be here. I will be here for 3 to 4 days. 3 to 4 days. Or he could have said, I am planning to be here for 4 days, madam. I would arrange for you an sightseeing tour. So she says, Sir, I will arrange, or I would arrange for you. I would arrange I would arrange for you a sightseeing tour. Sightseeing tour. That's what she's going to arrange for him. Then he asked her, Will it include the Eiffel Tower? Will it? Will it include the Eiffel Tower? Will it include the Eiffel Tower? So Madam says, Sir, I'm going to arrange for you an sightseeing tour. So he is asking, will it include the Eiffel Tower? Will the Eiffel Tower also a part of the tour package? He wants to know. Then she says, yes, it includes all important places. Yes, it includes. It includes all the important, all the important all the important places with the tour guide. With a tour guide. Or she could have said, don't worry, sir, Eiffel Tower is included and you will be taken to all important places and you're also given a tour guide. So you don't need to get worried. Then he asked, could I have a guide who can converse in English? Could I have a guide could I have a guide who can converse? Who can converse in English? Or he could have said, Madam, could you arrange for me an English guide, whatever? Sure. That'll be taken care of. That will be taken care of. He says, thank you, madam, and says, have a nice tour or happy tour or enjoyable tour. So we are discussing here going sightseeing in France, traveling from Sri Lanka to France, and then you land there asking for support to go sightseeing. All right, now let's read together what I have here for you. So you will land in France and you are getting some help, and you go there and says, "Good day, you are being spoken to here. Good day, sir. What can I do for you? Good day, madam. I have just arrived from Sri Lanka. I would like to go sightseeing here in France. Yes, sir. I shall arrange for it. In France, I wouldn't want you to miss the Eiffel Tower. How long will you stay in France? I will be here for 3 to 4 days. Sir, I would arrange for you a sightseeing tour. It will include the Eiffel Tower. Yes, includes all important places with a tour guide. Could I have a guide who can converse in English? Sure, that will be taken care of. Thank you.